Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add open to work in LinkedIn. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged in. At the top left, you can see a profile icon. You have to tap over there. Now, all you have to do is tap on the option View Profile. Now you will be led to your profile page. Now there you can see the option Open To, which is in blue box. You have to tap over there. Here you can see two options, hiring or providing services. Hiring means sharing that you are hiring and attracting qualified candidates, and providing services means showcase services where you offer new clients that can discover you. You can choose one according to your preference. For this video, we will go for providing services. Now here you need to fill down your informations. Firstly, you need to add services. Now here list of services are provided. You need to choose according to your preference and experience. You can add 10 more services. After you are done choosing, you can simply tap on Done. Now there you can see a box where they are saying tell us about your services and what makes you stand out, such as the projects you've worked on or your years of experience. Make sure it must be less than 500 words. After that, you need to choose your work location. Now if you are available to work remotely, then you can tap on I am available to work remotely option. After that, you need to choose your pricing, that is starting rate, and you can also enter your hourly rate. Or if you want to contact them for pricing, then you can see the option contact for pricing, tap over there, and they will be contacting you further for the pricing details. Now all you have to do is tap on the allow LinkedIn members you're not connected with to message you for free through open profile. After you are done entering your information, all you have to do is tap on publish. After that, it will be published, and this is how you add open to work on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.